Well, you just saw the stocks we've got going into the portfolio this week, and as we know, one stock gets sold every week, the worst performer, and a new stock gets added to the portfolio. And it was an interesting week in most trading, but these stocks mostly made money. Only one of them lost money. Coming in number one this week, it's Continental Resources. Oh, we just can't get rid of this thing. After performing poorly over the past few weeks after diluting shareholder value by issuing more common stock, Continental Resources has rebounded nicely, opening the week at $63.47 and closing at $66.26. Total value starting at $2,031.04 and closing with $2,120.32. Total value for the portfolio increase of $89.28. And the chart of Continental Resources looks pretty good too right now. The 0.1 down below shows us stochastics are positive. We gave it a green mark. And 0.2 shows MACDs are neutral and the histogram bars are negative, but they're climbing, so we gave those a yellow mark. And up top, the relative strength index is rising too, so we gave that a green mark. Things looking pretty good for Continental here going into this week, as it's about time. And coming in number two this week, it's Viro Pharma, the new addition to the portfolio, making us $11.90 this week. Let's take a look at the chart. And the chart of Viro Pharma looks pretty good. Down below, 0.1 shows us that the stochastics are oversold and they're turning a little higher, so we did give it a yellow mark. 0.2 shows the MACDs are positive and the histogram bars are moving higher, so we give that a green mark. Up on top, the relative strength index is also moving higher, so we gave that a green mark. Overall, Viro Pharma has recovered pretty nicely here. It looks like it's going to head into a nice week. And coming in number three this week, it's Paso Pipeline, making us $9.35 this week, opening the week at $35.02 and closing the week at $35.19. Let's take a look at the chart. And the chart of El Paso Pipeline shows the recent beating that it's been taking. Down below, 0.1 shows us, though, that the stochastics are oversold. We did give this a yellow mark. And 0.2 shows MACDs are negative, and the histogram bars are negative, so we gave those a red mark. They are climbing, though, so we'll have to wait and see on this one. Up on top, 0.3 shows us that the relative strength is already starting to turn up a little bit, so we gave that a yellow mark. El Paso Pipeline's another one that diluted its shareholder value last week by issuing those 12 million in common stock shares. That you see that red spike going up in the volume here just last week. Not good. We don't like when that happens. Continental Resources did it and recovered, and we're going to hope that El Paso Pipeline can do the same. And so that only leaves two stocks remaining in the portfolio. One of them is staying and one of them is getting sold. The first stock up, it's Xilinx. An original stock in the portfolio battled in its place last week and recovered and survived. This week it's heading up against Tempur Pedic, the memory foam mattress firm. Coming in number four and remaining in the portfolio, it's Tempur Pedic, opening the week at $48.69 and closing at $48.77. We made only $3.68, but it was a gain. And the chart is showing us some weakness here too, as 0.1 shows stochastics are falling from overbought territory, and 0.2 shows MACDs are descending and the histogram bars are negative. So we gave them both red marks here. Up on top, the relative strength index is still stable. We gave it a yellow mark. Tempur Pedic better perform next week, or you know what happens. It's going to be out of here. And so Xilinx, we'll see you again as you're in the original buy and hold strategy portfolio that we're doing, that we're going to put up against the trading portfolio at the end of the year to see which performed better. But for now, you're out of here as you lost $34.72 this week. But let's take a look at the chart. And the chart of Xilinx shows the damage down below. 0.1 shows stochastics are oversold now and they are improving, so we did give it a yellow mark. 0.2 shows MACDs remain negative, and the histogram bars, they're negative too, but they are getting a little bit better as they're rising. Still have a way to go before they get over that bullish zero mark. And up top, 0.3 shows relative strength index is flat, so we gave it a yellow mark too. Well, we'll see you soon, Xilinx, as you're in the buy and hold strategy. And final results this week. Continental Resources came in first place, making us $89.28. Viro Pharma The new addition to the portfolio last week gave us $11.90, and the Paso Pipeline gave us $9.35. Tempur Pedic survived by earning only $3.68, but beat out Xilinx, which lost $34.72. Total cash in the portfolio is $96.94. Total value of the portfolio is $10,636.39, and we started out with $10,000 on January 28th, so we got just under a 6.5% gain as of right now, despite all the market volatility. And so we've got a new stock in the portfolio this week, and that stock is Peabody Energy, symbol BTU, closing at $70.21 and a market cap of $19 billion. Average volume is 12 million shares. This is a coal company, exploration and mining, a worldwide company. Let's take a look at the chart. Chart of Peabody Energy looks pretty darn good right now. Point 1 shows stochastics are positive and rising. We gave it a green mark. Point 2 shows MACDs and histogram bars are confirming the stochastics if they are rising and looking pretty strong here. We gave those a green mark. And up top, point 3 shows relative strength index is continuing along higher too, so we gave that one a green mark. And point 4, the blue line, shows that we just had a breakout on Friday, so it's going to be interesting looking at this stock this coming week. So it looks like it's going to be a pretty good performer. And so going into this week, we've got Continental Resources. We got 32 shares. That's the only original stock left in the portfolio. $68.29 is what we're opening up at $2,185.28 for the position value. Viro Pharma, we got 119 shares, opening the week at $18.98. $2,256.62 is the value of that stock. And the El Paso Pipeline's been lingering around here at 55 shares, opening the week at $37.74, and we've got $2,075.70 in that stock. And Tempur Pedic surviving this week, knocking out the original stock in the portfolio, Xilinx. We've got 46 shares of Tempur Pedic, $48.54 was starting out the week. Total value there, $2,232.84. And the new addition to the portfolio, Peabody Energy, symbol BTU. We've got 28 shares of that stock. We're going to start out this week at $70.21. Total value there of $1,965.88. Well, these stocks have got to perform this coming week, as it looks like it's going to be another volatile one. You know what happens if they don't? They're out of here.